Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Azure subscription and that you have owner or contributor rights. This prevents permission errors. Once done, install Azure CLI2. X and run as login, then select the target subscription with as account set. Next, make sure to register resource providers like Microsoft. Authorization, Microsoft. Managed identity and Microsoft. Key Vault because Azure Latch uses them for identity, roles, and secrets. This avoids runtime failures and speeds deployment. Now you deploy the core components. Create a resource group in a supported region because proximity reduces latency and potential service limits. Then provision a user-assigned managed identity and immediately assign least privilege RBAC roles. Grant only what the Latch process needs. Next, create an Azure Key Vault, add required secrets, and set access policies so the managed identity can get secrets. This sequence ensures secure secret retrieval and delegated access, which keeps the Latch workflow both finish by configuring the Latch service, set endpoint URLs, retry and timeout values, and enable verbose logging so you can trace failures. Then run a staged test, validate token exchange, secret retrieval, and policy enforcement, so you catch permission or network issues early. If something fails, check role assignments, ensure the managed identity is bound correctly, and review Key Vault access logs for denied operations. Often the root cause is a missing RBAC role or an access policy that wasn't applied.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.